Right, we're going to look at arc length. Now, if you don't know what an arc is, you haven't got a cat and nails chance of working out what an arc length is. An arc is part of a circumference. It's that bit there. It's also that bit around the outside there, but the bit that we're going to work out is this bit. It comes off 2 radii, and it's part of the outside of the circle, so it's part of the circumference. A-R-C, arc. Now, I hope you remember that the circumference of a circle is pi times the diameter. Here, I'm not told the diameter, I'm told the radius. So I know the radius is 5. But if I know the radius, I also know that the diameter is just double the radius. And so I know the diameter is 10. Once I know the diameter, I can work out the circumference. It's 10 multiplied by pi. So again, like we said earlier on, 10 pi if you're not asked for it exactly. If you are asked for it exactly, you're just going to do 10 times pi on your calculator, and you'll get 31.4. Excuse me. But I don't want this whole of the circumference. I just want this little fraction of the circumference here that I've called the arc. And I get that by saying this angle is 30 degrees. The whole way around the circle is 360 degrees. So I then say it's 30 over 360 times by the circumference. 30 because it's the angle, 360 because it's a circle. 30 over 360 times 31.4. And that gives me 2.62 centimetres. You can leave it in terms of pi as well, but 2.62 centimetres. Okay, pause the video, try and work out this arc length here. So just before you do the video, the arc length that you're trying to find is this one, and your angle is 100 degrees. Okay, so first of all, on this question, I know that the radius is 10, which means the diameter is 20, 10 times 2, which means the circumference is 20 pi. So 20 times pi is 62.8. This time, the angle I've got is 100 degrees, so I'm going to say 100 divided by 360 times by the circumference, which is 62.8. 100 divided by 360 times by 62.8 gives me 17.4 centimetres. If you left it in terms of pi, then instead of 62.8 you'd have had 20 pi. So if I do 20 pi times 100 over 360, it'll give me 50 over 9 pi. If you did leave it in terms of pi, 50 over 9 pi. But don't worry about that too much. Your answer here, 17.4. Okay, there's a Hegarty math task with this on it. Any problems? Email me. Thank you.